on the big rock canyon mountain. Doopy-doopy-doop. Pass me, pumpkin. Pass me. I'm going to get a little video of you. Get, Miranda! Get off your phone. Get off your phone. I'm going to kick you. Bikers, call out before you pass left. On the big rock canyon mountain. A doopy doopy doop. A doopy doop. I'm from Deliverance. A doopy doopy doop. What are you doing? Why? Come on, Big Rock Candy Mountain. If you're gonna stop, stop on the right so you don't get hit by the speeders. A doopy doopy doop. The Big Rock Candy Mountain and a doopy doopy doop. On the mountain. A doopy doopy doop. A doopy doop. A doopy doop. Doopy doopy doop on the Big Rock Candy Mountain. A doopy doopy doop. Doopy. Oh. 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 On the Big Rock Candy Mountain. Doopy doopy doop. Doopy doop. Doopy doop. Doopy doopy doop. On Big Rock Candy Mountain. Doopy doopy doop. What are you doing? What? Why are you hitting? Why? 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 Can you do a wheelie?
What?
Wheelie?
I don't know how.
Oh. 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 Skirt. Huh? A bridge. A bridge. It's the Big Rock Candy Bridge. Doopy doop. This is Bridge 46. Welcome to our tour of the Virginia Creeper Trail. This is actually kind of dope. Oh, dude. Bro.
Why are you doing that?
Big Rock Candy Mountain. It's so dope. I don't know what this is a bridge over. You know why? So you don't have to ride up the side. Come on, bro. My seat is killing me. There is a water down there. This bridge is made out of wood.
Really?
The whole thing. Look down. This bridge is made out of toothpicks. And the Big Rock Candy Mountain. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Doop-a-doop. Alright, is my rear tire flat or what? Yes. Bro, are we going? What? What are you doing? So on the several trestle bridges along the Virginia Creeper Trail, the original railroad required over 100 bridges made of wood. You're chasing us? Get out of my way. Doopy doopy doop. What's with you and hitting sticks? Get in front of me more so I can actually see it happen. All right, do it.